Clarissa from NXT, and today I have the latest Oppo products here all in this box. So I'll be doing an unboxing video and I can't wait to see how the product looks like. So opening the box, it looks like this. It has the Reno 4 Pro, the smartphone, the Oppo earbud, as well as the Oppo smartwatch. So I'm going to first unbox the one that's on the cover here, which is the Reno 4 Pro. And I'm very excited to see how it looks like. It's like this. And the first thing I noticed is the number of cameras that are on this phone. Like, it's an insane amount of cameras. And I can just imagine how nice the photos would be. And turning it on, it looks like this. So I'll be using this later and I'm very excited to try it out. And then the next item I have is this Oppo earbud. Also opening it. Oh, it kind of looks very similar to any other wireless earbuds, and oh, you open it like this. It's like a ring case, and then the earbuds look like this. I've heard many great reviews about this and like how different it is from a lot of the other earbuds out in the market. So I can't wait to try this out too. And then the last item we have here is the Oppo watch. And opening it, oh, it's like a very pretty rose gold color. And it's very feminine, which is what I like about it. And if I try to turn it on, okay, it's like low on battery now, but I think this will be very useful. And actually this is the one that I'm most excited about for trying, because I've never really owned a smartwatch before, and if this is good, it might really change the way I go about my day-to-day activities. So that's the end, and there's no more products in the box. So I'm going to be reviewing these 3 products, and stay tuned for the review on the NXT online. Bye!